Hey everyone, it's MrKevsFishing. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to tie a hair rig. This is for carp fishing, and whoever is watching this video, it's probably because you bought pre-tied hair rigs and you want to tie your own. And I highly recommend you do because it saves you a lot of money, and you could also customize your rigs as well. And before I start this video, I am not sponsored or affiliated by any of the brands mentioned. I am wearing a Big Carp Taco beanie, but I just bought that from the store. So let's get into the video, guys.
Alright, this is what you'll need. Some leader line for the hair rig. I'm using 25-pound green braid. For the hooks, I'm using Gamakatsu brand G-Carp Specialists. I got some barrel swivels from Eagle Claw. You're gonna need a pair of scissors to cut some tag ends. A baiting needle to help tie some knots. You don't need it, but it makes it easier. And a small bowl of water to help wet the line. You'll see me dip the end of my braid into the water sometimes because the ends fray and it makes it hard to tie a knot. First thing you want to do is get your braid. You want about a foot of leader just because when you tie down the knots, it's going to actually shorten the leader to about maybe 5-6 inches. So use your scissors, cut it off the spool, and then after this, you're going to be tying a loop on one of the ends. Make sure your knot is secure by pulling on both ends of the leader as well as the tag end. For the next step, you want to grab your hook, your line, dip your line in the water so it makes it smooth, and then you want to go through the eyelid behind the shank. Not where the point is, behind the shank. You're going to run it all the way through until you reach the knot of the loop you made. And from here, you're going to adjust the hair length. So you can make it long for big baits, short for small baits. I'm going to keep it short just because I'm going to use one piece of corn for this one. And what you want to do is with your fingers, hold the eyelid together and you're going to make wraps. Usually 5 to 7 wraps for braid. I think I'm going to be doing 7. And then after that, hold the other end of the hook and grab the loop. Because you want the eyelid to be open for the other end to go through, which I'm going to grab in a moment. Before that, I'm going to dip it in some water. Then I'm going to go back up through the eyelid. And then once you got a good position, you're going to put that end through the hole. And you're going to see right here, my line starts to fray a little bit. But then I don't have any issues pulling it through just because the water made it smooth. And then just pull the hook and the line and make sure the knot is tight. Also, use your fingers to cinch the knot up to the eyelid, and then you can pull the hook and line again. Grab a pair of scissors and make sure you cut off the tag end when you made the loop in the beginning. And there you go, you've tied a hair rig. You can attach boilies on this, fake corn, tiger nuts, whatever you like pretty much, and also prevents small fish from stealing your bait. Now the final step is to attach this onto a swivel. So you can use whatever knot you like to do that. I like to use an improved clinch knot. So you just get the one end of the line, put it through the hole, and then tie your desired knot. Once you've tied your swivel on your leader, you've got your hair rig completed. I'm holding the hair on one end, and you can see the swivel on the other end, which you will tie onto your main line. And the only thing you have to do now is add on your hook bait.
once you got the bait stop secured, this is the finished product. You got your hook bait, which is my pink horn on the hair, the small hook, and then all the way down to the swivel, and then that's your hair rig, guys. And also I got another example up here just to show you guys you can experiment with the lengths and the hook baits. Like this one, I got 2 hook baits on, a boilie and a white corn, and the leader is a lot shorter, as you can see side by side. It's almost half as short as the first one I tied. But yeah, definitely experiment, guys. It'll help you catch more carp on the bank, I promise. And please like and subscribe if you haven't for more carp fishing tips and videos. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.